6:30 in the morning, and I wake up early because I want to make my husband's lunch. But let's go and see outside. I'm so excited. I want to open this sliding door. Baby likes to play this, and it's already broken. This one, blinds. Oh wow! See, it's broken already. Baby likes to play this one. Wow! Outside is a wow, and the strange thing is, I'll show you. La 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 la. You see that? Our boring backyard becomes so beautiful, and it's still snowing until now. So maybe my husband will not go to work today. Just stay at home for work. Work at home. Yippee! Hi guys, let's go outside. Check what's. I didn't even change. I just put on the jacket. Let's go. I'll show you. I'm trying to make a. You see here. Let's go out, and they haven't cleaned our walkway yet, so it's still muddy. Should I go or not? Let's go. Anyway, let's walking in the way. Wow, I like this one. I like walking in the snow. Wow, but people will think I'm crazy. So people are cleaning over there. It's actually they're already starting to clean up the driveways. Oh, see, look how messy that. They need to clean up our car. You see it, guys? Only people here are the one who's cleaning, and I'm they might think I'm crazy. They might think I'm crazy. See, walk. Check the situation of our car. The workers are looking at me thinking, what happened to this lady? So crazy. Oh, this is a nasty snow. Oh, Babu should have parked here. Oh, or he parked on the other side. Why? I'm walking in the snow. See that? Oh, sure. I don't think Babu would. Oh my goodness, so difficult to clean this one because it's not a fluffy snow. It's a wet snow. You see? Looks nice, but you see that? Wow! La 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 la. Let's go Tentra. There's a sorry. There's a blow truck. Okay, let's go back. Yay! Let's go back. I'm even. They're looking at me because I'm even in my. Oh wow! So good. Just open your mouth. The workers are still there. They're cleaning up the walkway. You see that? They use a machine. Okay, let's go back. That's it. I enjoy it for for a few minutes and that's enough. Hey, hello. You see this tree in here? You see this tree in front of our house? And that one, the tree, I think that is a magnolia tree. It looks so beautiful, huh? Oh, I want to bring baby out because it's not very thick. Maybe I can bring her out with the sled in the afternoon. I see that. Wow. Okay, let's go inside. To clean up the car first. And he decided to work today, go to work even if the snow is like that. Very hardworking man. Don't mind the snow. It's for the family, Babo. It's for the family.
It's hard to work here.
Huh?
Hard to work at home for me. So lazy.
Okay. Look at her face. Babo is cleaning the car and I want to help him, but baby is still sleeping and she will be left alone here if I go. And I want to go clean myself, but then Babo don't let me. It's still snowing though. Ooh, I really like the back, it's so beautiful. You see that? It's so thick in the trees. It's like become very, 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 very white. And still snowing. See the drops. There you are, guys. Babo go. We'll open the door without closing. It's already 8:30 and it's more brighter now, but there's no sunshine. Oh, you see that tree? So beautiful, huh? Looks like a nice white Christmas tree. Oh, see the snow on the car. It's still snowing though. Okay, baby's still sleeping and the roads are already clean. And Babo have very important things to do in the work, and he said he cannot concentrate at home, so he go and work. Guys, she poop again. You see, I'm not kidding. You see? Woo! She poop again. This is the second time in a row. Hi guys, we're cleaning up baby's messy room. Later we will go outside in the snow and make a snowman. Do you want to make a snowman? Do you want to make a snowman? It's still snowing. So, but it's already bright outside. Has sun and still snowing, but it's not so beautiful anymore because the snow from the trees are already falling. You see how messy baby's room is. I already cleaned up half of it. Sarah, jump up and down. Careful. Jump up and down. Jump up and down. If your name is Sarah, jump up and down and sit. Guys, we go out after we play at the backyard making snowmen. We're going out now to check the ducks. And before we check the ducks, we saw these birds here. So many birds, Langinga. Did you see that? And I give her food while we're walking around so she will not move. I see so many birds in the tree. It's like so many. I can't see. Huh? Have you seen that? So cool. Whoa! They fly. Okay, let's go. Let's go check the duck. So just now the sun is out for a moment and it's kind of warm, not really cold. So you see, this morning when I take the video, it was very white. Now it's not anymore. All the snow from the trees already fell off to the ground, and you see the snow is melting, so it's a lot of water everywhere. We are here in the lake to check the ducks. Where are the ducks, baby? You call the duck? Louder, louder. Call the duck. You see the snow, guys? It's already melted. Even the lake is not frozen. If it's warm, it should be frozen. You can walk in there. Hi, guys. Okay. I am going to make a pizza dough. I'm going to make a pizza dough for our dinner. I want pizza for dinner. And we went out to get a letter. And Sarah have a letter again. Sarah Lustigman. Okay. Can you open your letter? Open here. Open. Okay, there. Okay. Okay. Here. 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 Come on. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. This is the book. Babu make a wow book. Passover. Don't tear it, huh? Wow. We're going to read it tonight, okay? Say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you.